Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Teams on iPad. Pro tips step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPad. Log in with your organizational account if prompted. Familiarize yourself with the main interface. Tap on the Teams tab at the bottom to access your teams and channels. Select a team you want to engage with. Tap on the desired channel to view its content. To send a message, tap on the new post icon at the bottom. Type your message in the text box and hit send. To add attachments, tap the paperclip icon next to the text box. Choose a file from your device or cloud storage. To make a video or audio call, tap on the Calls tab at the bottom. Select the contact you wish to call. Tap the video or audio icon to initiate the call. To join a meeting, tap on the Calendar tab. Find the scheduled meeting and tap on it. Tap the Join button to enter the meeting. Ensure your microphone and camera settings are adjusted before joining. During the meeting, you can mute or unmute yourself using the Use the chat feature to send messages to participants during the call. To share your screen, tap the Share button within the meeting controls. Select the content you want to share and confirm your choice. After the meeting, review the chat history for any shared files or notes. Utilize the Files tab to access documents shared within your teams. Explore other features like Planner and Wiki for team collaboration. Make use of the search function to quickly find messages or files. Adjust your notification settings in your profile for optimal use. Remember to log out when finished for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.